Hi, Kara Sheftel from BDS, and one of the questions that we got asked on our forum is, why is my Canon slow or noisy? And that is a little bit concerning, not gonna lie. So one of the reasons why it might be slow could be the port that you're using in your print driver. So you might want to check your ports first if it's taking a long time to spool. That could also be a network challenge. But if you're talking about in front of the device, you're having to wait for it to come back from recovery, chances are you have it on some sort of power saving mode, or maybe you don't have it in a quick recovery. That can slow down the device. But if you're hearing noises, that's a service call. You're going to want to call the number on the front of your device and get service. If you don't have a service contract because maybe your device is a little bit older, bdsdoc.com, and we are absolutely able to help you determine whether or not servicing your machine makes sense or if purchasing a new one makes sense.